The best kept secret in water quality instrumentation just may be this small company in Massachusetts. AquaMetrix sensors and controllers have been around for about 6 decades, and it has built a reputation amongst its users for working in environments when other sensors and controllers fail. That includes industrial wastewater, industrial process water, and aquaculture. These are just some of the companies that rely on AquaMetrix to keep them operating. Mark Spencer stands tall. As the principal owner of Water Analytics, the company that manufactures AquaMetrix products.
Hi, I'm Mark Spencer. I bought the company in 2010 because I became convinced very quickly that this was a little gem that in the right hands could grow into a big gem. Its focus on industrial applications and its highly respected products that address it were and continue to be the kernel to successful growth.
The differential pH or ORP probes have been our flagship products and a cornerstone of industrial process control. Its users have been unabashed in their praise of this probe that lasted in applications that killed others.
The AquaMetrix product line has expanded significantly, but still focuses on the core competencies that make it a little giant, solutions for the most challenging environment.
Our electrochemical sensors include those for pH, ORP, conductivity, and dissolved oxygen. We make nearly all of them right here in Andover, Massachusetts. Here, Sapan is assembling the inner workings of a P60R8 differential probe.
AquaMetrix products have passed the test of time. Our sensors, controllers, transmitters have been deployed in the most hostile environments, and they always exceed our customers' expectations.
We test on probes to survive the most extreme environments. This conductivity sensor is tested for high pressure application. Let's see how high this is going to go. Oh, this one passed. Definitely. 300 yards. Pass. Almost no visible damages.
This is our latest differential probe, the P60R5. It's slimmer, requires only a screwdriver for changing the salt bridge, and it's virtually unbreakable. And it's blue. The differential probe put AquaMetrix on the map, but it's just one part of our product line. We also make the widest range of conductivity sensors on the market. For dissolved oxygen, we have the classic Clark-style probe and the newest optical sensor with direct 4 to 20 milliamp output. Probes that work in tough environments deserve tough controllers. Since the beginning, we've designed and manufactured our own controllers and transmitters. The third generation 2250, which you see right here, represents an easy-to-use, rugged, single-input, multiple-parameter controller. It handles probes for pH, ORP, conductivity, flow, and dissolved oxygen. There's been one guiding philosophy of our analyzers: simple to order, simple to set up, simple to use, and simple to troubleshoot. Most of our competitors offer a base unit for a controller on top of which users must choose from an array of cards to fit their needs. An AquaMetrix controller comes configured with just about every feature you'll ever need. The 2300 was the first multi-input 100% web-enabled controller for under $2,000 that anyone can program. Whereas one once needed PLCs and a SCADA system to build a sophisticated process control system, one can now do that with just one or more 2300s, some 4 to 20 milliamp output probes. Aquaculture, wastewater treatment skids, small municipal treatment plants are just 3 examples of industries that the 2300 is disrupting. 4 years after we introduced the 2300, the big boys are starting to introduce their own web-based controller. Our really big competitors boast a larger product portfolio than ours. We're happy to provide solutions to tough industrial environments. What we do as well, if not better, than any other manufacturer. One of our biggest niches is aquaculture. One of North America's biggest aquaculture operations has been replacing its legacy probes and PLCs with AquaMetrix probes and 2300 controller. They saved about $20,000 in capital expenses and about $5,000 in annual operating expenses. Industrial wastewater is our second core strength. Companies like Eaton Corporation, UniFirst, and ZEP manufacturers all rely on AquaMetrix solutions for their wastewater treatment solutions. Boilers, cooling towers, air conditioners, swamp coolers all must monitor water quality to minimize fouling and corrosion. There you have it. To find out more about how AquaMetrix products can work for you, just go to the website, www.aquametrix.com.